for the first few tests, I was pretty surprised by my very low scores. But to all my juniors who are joining this year, those low scores are what will help you get really high scores in the boards. So don't get disheartened. Also, UT creates questions which are completely unique, so you won't find them any guidebooks. So thinking that guidebooks will substitute for UT test series is not appropriate at all.
My handwriting and also my writing speed was really slow. After I joined UT test series, it improved a lot and I could write clearly.
Would like to thank my sir, RP Singh sir, because he made the lectures very interesting, interactive, and I enjoyed the lectures here.
The topper Kumaresh Ramesh said that UT played the role of catalyst in his life. Well, it's true. There's not a single word that I can doubt. It really played a role of catalyst in the road of success of mine.
Attended Shri Anubhav Sinhal's seminar, and it was really whatever we were searching we found in that seminar. Their test series was very helpful. It was really wonderful. So the students get practice by solving and attending all the tests, and they get the confidence.
So I want to tell my juniors that you just join UT's test series and your portion is done. Nothing to worry about it at all.
I think so. The fear of exam has been removed from all the students in UT classes by consistent and regular examinations coming day in and day out. Students standing at outside the board exams feel also maybe a kind of a feeling that okay, they are going for one more UT class.
In ninth standard, I was always scared of exams. Even at the end, I used to fall sick or I used to feel very confused and nervous. But for the first time, even in the board exams, where I was going for board exams, I was always confident and I never felt shy or anxious while writing my exams.
ऐसा पढ़ाया गया है यूटी में कि मैं श्योर गारंटी के साथ बोल सकती हूँ आगे 11th-12th में अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के साथ वो 11th-12th का भी एग्ज़ाम अच्छा कर सकती है। और एक एक्सपीरियंस में शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, जैसे कि मैथ्स में उसको लास्ट एग्ज़ाम में भी कभी 95 भी मिलते थे, कभी 75 भी मिलते थे, तो मैं थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस हो गई थी। तो जब मैंने यूटी में फ़ोन किया था तो खुद अनुभव सर ने मुझसे बात करके जो भी उनकी फैकल्टीज़ है उनके साथ सलोनी की बातचीत करवा के उसका अच्छा और फ्यूचर में अच्छा करने के लिए खुद टीचर्स ने भी सपोर्ट किया था। और टीचर्स और अनुभव सर के बारे में तो सब लोग बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन जो पर्दे के पीछे के कलाकार है, जो उनके स्टाफ है, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं और उन्होंने हम लोग को अच्छा कोऑपरेशन दिया है।